Hey, Miss Giles again. And since we've already started writing numbers 1 through 5, right now we are going to go ahead and start writing numbers 6 through 10. So once again, if you've already had your materials, which are number 1, your notebook or your piece of paper, and number 2, if you have your pencil, then you should already be ready to go. Now, as you can see on the board, I have numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 written on the board for you. So like we did the last time, starting with numbers 1 through 5, we're going to go ahead and start with number 6, okay? So now we're going to have our dot again. So go ahead and get your pencils ready. We're going to go ahead and draw our dot, but I'm going to show you first, okay? So we're going to go down, and then we're going to loop around and stop. Now that's how you do number 6. So let's go ahead and do this one together. So what do we do before we start any number? What do we draw first? Do we draw our dot or do we draw a star? Our dot. Great job. And what number are we getting ready to write? Number 6. All right, so let's go ahead and start together. Get your starter point. Let's go down and around. Good job. Now let's go ahead and start with our number 7. So let's go ahead and get our point. And for number 7, we're going to start up here in our point. We're going to go across, and then we're going to stop, and then we're going to slant down. Okay? Now what number is this again? Number 7. Great job. And let's go ahead and do it again. Start with our point. Start here, go across, and then what? Stop. And then we're going to go down and what? Stop. Good job. Now we're going to do our number 8. For number 8, we're going to also do our point. But for this one, well, writing the number 8 can be different. So you can start from here. You can do one circle. And then you can do the other circle. That's how I used to learn how to write it. Or you can do something kind of cool and a little fancy like this. So you can go start here with your point, meet your point, go around and come back up. But in this case, we're just going to use the 2 circles just for this one, okay? So let's go ahead and write this together. What number is this again? The number 8, and we're going to use which method? The 2 circle method, or we're going to call this the slithery method. So which one are we going to do? The 2 circles. Great job. So let's go ahead, make our point, and let's go ahead and do our first circle on the top. Make sure you start your point, and then we're going to finish it on the bottom. And that's how you make the number 8. Now, we have 2 more numbers left. And since we ran out of room, of course, we're going to end up over here, right? Okay, so our number 9, we're going to start with our point. And then for this one, we're going to start here. We're going to make a circle. And then we're going to have a line starting at the top and work our way to the bottom. Okay? All right, now what number is this again? Number 9. Great job. So let's go ahead and have our circle. And then from what? Well, this is our dot, but what are you going to have, our circle or our dot that we draw next? Our circle. Okay, so we're going to draw our circle. And then what comes next? Our line. Great job. Now one more number, and that's the number 10. And the number 10 has the number 1 and the number 0 put together. So we're going to have our point. And remember how we wrote the number 1? We start from here, and then what? We go down. And then we have another number, the number 0. And from here, we're going to just make a big circle, oval. Okay? So now let's do it one more time. Start from our point, and then we're gonna go what? Down. And then what do we make for the 0? A circle. Good job, scholars. All right, like for the numbers 1 through 5, we're gonna go ahead and check for numbers 6 through 10. So I'm gonna call out a number, and you are gonna tell me which one. Well, you're gonna write it, but it's still telling me, right? Okay, so we are gonna start with the number 7. 3 seconds. All right. If your number 7 looks like this, then you are correct. For the number, let's do the number 8. For the number 8, go ahead, take 3 seconds. All right. If your number 8 looks like this, then you are correct. And the last number is the number 6. Go ahead, take 3 seconds. So if your 6 looks like this, then you are correct. Great job, scholars. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you next time.